everyone, welcome back to my page. So today my best friend is going to come and I am preparing chicken and roti for her. So stay tuned, I will be showing you what all we do the whole day and where all we go. Hello guys, welcome back. So everything is set, all my weekend shows are done. So let's see when she is coming. So finally she's here. She's not here, but she's here. She is coming. Let's wait for her. But where is she? Oh, okay, okay. Okay, see, there's a car standing there. See the wheels? So she's there. I was making roti, that's why my hand is like this. Let's welcome her. Oh my god. So she's in that car, can you just see? Yeah. But she didn't see me yet. So let her come. Oh my god, other people are just seeing that what craziness I'm doing. And that was the Chotu doggy, which has become a very big young dog now. I don't know what she's doing in that kachra. Maybe finding some insects. And finally, the driver came out. The driver came out, but she could not come out yet. This mad lady. Finally, she's here. See? She still did not see me. Oh my god. Okay. Moment of truth. I'll close the door. She'll be like, why are you closing the door?
Seriously.
Welcome.
Oh my, you're not. Thank you so much
You're welcome.
for opening the door after I called you thrice.
No, I opened. So finally,
An entire gamla of this is
no,
not.
this
I'll
is
show the
buttermilk.
difference.
This is buttermilk, and
That
this
is
is not
not-
entire gamla. The cup
This
is
is.
big.
I am
Eat.
trying her food for the first. Thank you so much.
How is it?
I let me have it. She gave my favorite aloo also podegalo. My favorite. Thank you so much.
আমি ঝাল কম দিয়ে বানিয়েছি
Hanji, I'll just have and see. No pressure. No camera. First time trying food.
no झूठा तारीफ
No, Judah sorry for the camera. Sorry. If this was horrible, I would have just stuffed out. You're pathetic bana, but it's really tasty. It's halka fulka, nice and light.
আমি ঝাল কম দেওয়ার জন্য হালকাই বানিয়েছি
I will halka.
So now we are going to Besan Nagar beach
in this very open air situation, which was
হাওয়া দিচ্ছে কিন্তু ভালো পাচ্ছিস না
পাচ্ছি তো আমি একটু গরম হাওয়া পাচ্ছি
না এখন ঠান্ডা হাওয়া দিচ্ছে
ঠান্ডা ঠান্ডা it's not no ঠান্ডা হাওয়া nothing of that sort
ঠান্ডা হাওয়া
but ठीक है fine Besanagar beach after what after a year
You should come frequently.
somebody had to come to Mumbai somebody she's still coming and this is my third time in Chennai.
When I told I would come, she was busy.
I wasn't even in Mumbai.
See?
See?
How is that my fault?
How is that my fault? Okay, anyway, that's a different topic.
Yeah,
altogether.
okay,
There's
okay.
a puppy on the way.
There is a puppy on the road. Anyways, আমরা এখন যাই. We'll
Yeah.
show you the remaining things and okay, bye. Stay tuned. Finally, we are here at the Besan Nagar beach and it is so beautiful. Stalls and shops are already open. And Shreya, how do you like this? Is your favorite place?
Is my favorite.
This is her favorite beach. In Chennai, what?
Period.
Okay.
From the first time that I came here.
Aha, so beautiful. See the clouds.
Oh, that is pretty. Look at the sunset.
Oh wow, the sunset. Yeah. Wow. Nice to এখন. Let's see what we do here and then we'll keep on sharing whatever we eat, whatever we do. Okay, tada, bye. Stay tuned. Hello, that side is the sunset looking so pretty and this side is my friend, so pretty.
Friend.
Oh, best friend, not at all pretty.
Wow.
And this side is the beach, so beautifully pretty. And this is us. This is
Oh, sorry.
us.
Hi. Why am I doing with this? I don't know, but
our cauliflower bhaji has come and we will be enjoying this. This is so crunchy, so tasty, and eating this near the beach side is amazing. Just একটু হাওয়াটা কম, যদি হাওয়াটা আর একটু বেশি হতো আরো ভালো লাগতো। Louder.
French fries இருக்கு, ஸ்ப்ரிங் பொட்டேட்டோ இருக்கு, சீஸ் பால் இருக்கு, மோமோஸ் இருக்கு, டெலிவரி இருக்கு. ஒரு என்ன பஜ்ஜி? சுடா பஜ்ஜி.
No spicy chutney.
No spicy chutney. Crispy, nice.
Hot and crispy.
என்ன பஜ்ஜி? சுடா பஜ்ஜி.
From the shop.
டெலிவரி இருக்கு, பாலக்கா இருக்கு, முளா இருக்கு, கால்பார் பக்கோடா இருக்கு. ஒரு என்ன பஜ்ஜி? சுடா பஜ்ஜி.
Really nice. After the cauliflower bhaji, first cauliflower bhaji, after the prawns that we have completed, the cauliflower bhaji was so tempting and crispy and better than the prawns that we again took cauliflower bhaji. So prawn versus cauliflower bhaji wins. My god, and this is the final touch of the day. পুরো লুকটা খারাপ করে দিল।
Should I move that?
No, it's okay. You have just ruined the look. Anyways, this is the chocolate cold coffee, so beautiful, stunning, and
It's agua.
মানে সত্যি এবার খা, so nice. How is it?
It's vanilla ice cream. Now I haven't even reached the coffee part.
Yeah, coffee part is also nice. Vanilla ice cream, let me also try. And oh my god, it is so good. I can just look and tell. Finally,
The day is done.
the day is done. We'll go home. We'll chit chat.
Yes, we will. We have some plans. Certain plans.
Oh my god, basically, just leave her. We are done for the day.
Just I won't let you shoot me.
আরে তাও দেখা যাচ্ছে। Oh my god, still. Okay, so that's it for the day, and this is how our day went. We
This is
ate.
how it goes mostly when I'm here.
Yeah, it was so fun. Amazing.
Okay. Yeah, I would.
And if you didn't have noticed, we kind of tried to twin.
Yeah.
Tried
You have
to twin.
The shade.
The
is
shade.
important.
Yeah, the green.
Basically, yes.
Green, bro.
Green is the shade. Wow, what green bro, what?
Cold coffee with ice cream was amazing.
Yes.
Cold coffee with ice cream ruins your night sleep. So দেখি কখন আমরা শুতে যাই আজকে রাত্রিবেলা।
Yeah.
তো
Shade. The point. That's
thanks for watching. আবার আমরা যা করব, sorry this is not Bengali. So whatever we'll keep on doing, we'll keep on sharing and
Keep you posted.
keep you posted. Definitely. Now we are inside the car. It's evening outside, so our picture is not coming so great.
It's okay. But it's still make do. Yeah.
Still, we had a great day, and that's the main
Yes.
thing. Thanks for coming.
Close to that. As always, a pleasure. But next time I want to
always
see you in
late.
Mumbai. Excuse me. I at least come. This madam, she has been coming for the past 3 years. She's coming only.
Let's not go there. Okay,
See?
bye.
See?
Anyways,
That was
Mumbai is raining now.
Mumbai is bone dry right now. It was raining last week, not now.
Okay.
What happened?
Okay,
The
bye.
camera also. Bye bye.
Meet you soon in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my page.
And like and share also.
Definitely ready. The time has come that she is leaving Chennai, and when
And
we
we had
come,
an adventure right before leaving also. You know.
peace.
Yeah. Credit to her.
That was interesting.
Very, very interesting.
So when-
I have like I'm 15 minutes. My flight boarding time and my reaching time 15 minutes apart. 15 minutes. Yeah. No.
But everything would happen on
Smoothly.
time. Yeah, smoothly.
Yeah, that's what
I
she's saying.
guarantee you that. Yeah.
And I'm going to hold you up for that guarantee. So
No worries.
yeah.
But
But thank you so much for cooking. She made paneer fry. I love paneer fry. She made paneer fry. It was really tasty. And also like both the time, not just today morning, last afternoon also. Thank you so much for making so many efforts.
তো তারিফ করতে হবে না।
আমার কিছু করার নেই,
You
কারণ
tell
তারিফ না
me-
করলে এক্ষুনি গালি দেবো
You tell
for the
me.
last scare. It was a real scare.
Don't
I'm not-
scare. All will be on time. All will be smooth. If you tell me next time, when are you coming?
Next time you are coming, you don't even feel a tiny bit ashamed to say that. Next time she has to come.
Oh my
She
god.
has to come, and it's just Mumbai. Yeah.
Just
Yeah. So it's on record here that next time she's coming to Mumbai.
so if I'm coming to Mumbai, you guys would know because the vlogs will be on the page.
Yes.
So subscribe to know if I'm going to Mumbai or not.
Tell me also. Let me also know if you're coming to Mumbai or not.
Did you subscribe me?
What do you think?
Then
I have been this woman's subscriber when she used to make little video edits.
so you
Not
would
vlogs
know.
on
You
YouTube.
would know if I am going to Mumbai.
So I would have to be a subscriber to know if you're coming to Mumbai. She's going to stay at my place, and I'm going to be a subscriber to know that. Wow, brilliant.
Anyways,
Okay. Yeah, this would go on. That's fine.
yeah, this would go on. So safe journey in advance.
Thank you so
On
much.
camera, off camera also I bolbo.
Okay.
So okay, tata, bye. Thank you for staying tuned.